Hi guys, today we got Radioactive, Foxy, Funko, Radioactive Foxy. So, today, we are Freddy, Radioactive Foxy, High Score Chica, System Error Bonnie, Toxic Springtrap. I don't like his eyes or his nose. What happened to his nose? I don't know. What is that? No idea. But here are all the fun and Freddy's figures. And today we got Foxy. Yeah, we got Foxy. So first, action figure, collectible. So high score you got. There's Radioactive Foxy. Today we got Radioactive Foxy and my buddy Affleck here. Might have saw him last video. Yeah, Affleck. And then we got a Beyblade. Pretty cool. Beyblade. This is awesome. I just unboxed that. I just unboxed this. It's really new. It's pretty cool. So here it is. Open it. Yeah, this is gonna be the best. Oh, okay. Foxy, come out of your cage. His arm! His arm came off. Can you put this thing back on? Wait, I got it. Bro, all of his parts are coming off. Now we got the other foot, dude. Okay. After I snap this foot on, you have a full figure review. Yo, this is sick. Sorry, I didn't know that would happen. Why you stupid? Okay, doing the splits. Yo guys, wow, this is actually kind of sick, dude. I need to put you guys in place. Yo. So here it is. Oh yeah. Okay, here it is. So the Foxy. Put him in order. So here he is. Alright. Look at this. All his parts. Wait, can I take off his head? No, but now look at that pose. This is sick. Radioactive Foxy. Yo. Next I'm probably gonna get High Score Chica. This is actually sick. Yo, that's sick. Honestly, wait, can you take off this guy's hook? Oh, I can't take off the hook. It's fine. Yo, wait, this guy got an endoskeleton? This guy actually has an endoskeleton. Yo, you can see inside it a little bit. He has an endoskeleton. Yo, this is sick. This guy actually got fingers. He got a hook. What? Is Foxy a pirate? I mean, it makes the character. It's better. And why is he a fox? And why is he a pirate? Why did he turn a pirate into a fox? I mean, it looks better that way. Just, but Withered Foxy. Imagine you had a crush on Withered Foxy. Like, what? I bet not even 1%. In the 1% of people in the whole entire world have a crush on Withered Foxy. Because if anybody does, they're weird. Yo, I'm gonna have a crush on Chica. Yo, this is. Yo, and he actually got the scratches in it. Actually got scratches in it. Bro, this is the sickest figure ever. Like, yo, this. Look at that. Like, sick. He's doing the stage lights. Bro, this is sick, dude. Yo. Why is his eye? Oh, and I forgot this thing is glow in the dark. Let's see. Yo! Huh. It's glowing. It's glowing in the dark. Glow in the dark. You can see his hook. Yo, that's sick. Yo, that's sick. It's glowing. Dude. Bro, glow in the dark. Yo, it didn't glow in the dark that good, but it's pretty cool. It's sick. I have no idea where that box went, but it's glow. The radioactive foxy is glow in the dark. That's sick. Why is like some FNAF things, like some FNAF characters are not even in any of the games? It's so weird. But bye. He wants to say bye. And he also wants to. He is gonna eat you in your bedtime.